Yeah, today we will try breadfruit from Zanzibar in Jambiani here. Let's see how it tastes. Normally I eat it in Jamaica. Today we eat it here in Zanzibar. We will roast it, cut it and fry it. Now the breadfruit is roasting. The other one we decided to cut it and directly fry it because they do it here like this. But this one I want to do the Jamaican style, roast it till it's black on all the sides and then peel off the skin and then cut it and then fry it. Let's see which one tastes better. I will tell you later. So the breadfruit looks ready now. It's black on all sides. So I'm about to peel it now with a knife and then fry it in a pan. So now I'm about to peel it. You see I'm peeling it off. Oh, it's quite hot. I didn't wait. Normally you wait a little bit, but me not wait. Me not wait for the breadfruit. Ooh, me can't wait. Ooh, hotty. So yeah, don't want to make it dirty. Maybe get a fork. Yeah, this is good. Yeah man. Yeah man. So we tried the boiled breadfruit. It's not my favorite, the boiled one, but the barbecue roasted one I like. Me like it. So nearly done. So maybe get a plate. Wait a minute, I'm getting a plate. Okay, stop it. It's no problem. Come. Put it on the plate. And now see the back side. Has to be peeled too. And this looks already done. And now I want to fry it. Now I want to fry it in the pan with butter. I think this is okay. It's a little bit dirt, but that's Yardman style, no problem. So you cut it from the middle. And this part you have to cut out. So there's not much breadfruit, but let's see if I can cut it out. So it's my first time, please people, don't be angry, but I can cut it like this. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it like this. This side is a bit raw, but we will fry it, so no problem. In Africa they say Hakuna Matata. This is the bitter one we don't want. A little bit left here. So we got this part already. I will fry this one. Cut the middle part out. Same on here. Now we'll do it better. Cut it directly like this. And like this. And from here. Cut it like this. It's already well done. But let's see when I put it in the pan. In the hot pan. Seems done already. Maybe I was too long in the fire because you can eat it already. It feels like mashed potato. Okay. Now let me put it in the pan. So this is some original Deutsche Marken butter from Germany. We brought it here. Although you can get butter from here, but we didn't know, so we brought our own butter. Use a big piece now. I'm holding the phone with one hand. Get a big piece now. Big piece. Put it in the pan. Now let it melt. Let it melt. So the butter is melted now. And now we put in the breadfruit. Let's see how it tastes at the end. Yeah, now let it roast a little bit, get a little bit brown and crispy on the outside like I like it. I hope it will be like it's in Jamaica. the Yardman style. Maybe too much butter, I don't know, but I love butter, so let's see how it tastes. So let's wait a little bit more. Yeah, man, this looks much better now. This is how I like it. Getting brown, you know, a little bit dry on the outside, crispy. Yeah, man, this is what I want. And this is the opposite. This is how they make it. They just boil it in the water. It's like mashed potato. You can eat it, but I like this one. You know, that's Yardman style, man. Yeah, man, Jamaica. Meeting them ready now. Jamaican style. I put a little bit salt in it. The butter is vanished. All soaked up in the breadfruit. Delicious butter. Yeah, man. So a little bit more, I think, and then it's finished. You know, I like it crispy, not the mashed potato style. Yeah, man, and this is the ready one. The ready breadfruit. Roasted, peeled, and then fried in fresh butter. This piece I want to show this guy without frying, and then the one with the fried one. So this is like more dried potato. But let's see what they say. Oh, so let's see what my brothers say. My brother from Congo, what do you say? Try a piece, take a little piece, yeah?
Okay.
Be careful, it's hot, yeah?
Ooh, it's hot.
It's hot.
Thank you so much.
Should you wait a little bit? Okay, get the small piece. It's very hot, be careful. With salt, huh? It's good. Jamaican style. Now, yeah, tried the other one, you liked it. Let's see how you like this one.
This is best.
Yeah, better?
Yeah.
See, you like it. Brother, take one piece. Let's see what you take. It's Jamaican style, roasted breadfruit, and then fried in butter. You're welcome. Karibu sana. Let's see how you like it. Yummy, yummy? It's hot, eh? Okay, now I have a piece myself.
Merci beaucoup. Hein?
Yeah, you're welcome, you're welcome.
Merci.
Karibu sana. Let's take a piece. I like. Jamaican style. The breadfruit. The left is the Zanzibar style, just boiled in water, and the right hand is the Jamaican style, roasted and fired, then peeled, then in the hot pan with butter. And now we see what Ali say. Ali, let me see what you like. So try the first. This is what you know. You eat like this, yeah? Yeah. Okay, you know this. So yeah, you can begin with this one and tell me which one you like more. This is what you know. And now let's see what you say to the Jamaican one. You like this one better?
Yes.
Jamaican style? Yeah, man. So Africa like Jamaican breadfruit style. No, so yeah, enjoy it.
Asante.
You're welcome.